What is going on, guys? Hope everybody had a great weekend. Black the Tech Guy here with another video. Today I've got an unboxing of a new product that I've been having my eyes on and also looking to replace something that I've had for quite a while. And I just got it in like 10 minutes ago. This is the iFootage HL1 C4. It is basically a portable light similar to my Lume Cube light that I've had for about 5-6 years, and my Elgato Key Light Mini, which is what I kind of use currently now for a lot of lighting if I didn't want to use like my giant key light. And I just have a key light air that's used like my backlight. And basically what portable lights are is they're basically for those who are going out and they need some extra light sources that they may not feel like want to carry like a giant extra light, like a cob light or something like that. Something like one of these or portable lights in general will give you enough brightness to get whatever it is you need to get done, whether it's for taking some photography or for taking some videography. You need a little bit more light than the surrounding is giving you, and that is what these are. So let's kind of read off what it is and what it tells you on the side of the box. Now, this is magnetic, which is one of the reasons why I bought it, because it's like my Lume Cube. It's got a metallic surface on the back that it shouldn't be this thick to something metallic, and it can hold it up, even though this technically has a quarter screw on the bottom of it, as you can see from that one, just like this one has. So it's basically a tilt lens, triple luminance, multi-light coloring, a multi-light control, which means you can control more than one light. So if you want to buy like 4 of these, you can control each individually. You can do that through the iFootage Lumen app. It has a keyframe. It also has something called a corrected color temperature. It's magnetic, which again, just like the Lume Cube, which is why I bought it. It's RGB, so you can use different colors with this. And it has a magnetic diffuser, which is actually kind of cool. So it's not something where I have to kind of just stick it on and then have to peel it off. Whereas with the key light, it's just kind of already built in. So we're going to get in the unboxing of this, and then I'm going to show you what comes with this, and then kind of give you my final thoughts on the iFootage HL1 C4. All right, so let's get into the unboxing of the iFootage HL1 C4. So let's see. Well, user manual. This is the light itself. Wow, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Actually, a little smaller in the website. I thought it was going to be a mini light, or at least a smaller light like my Lume Cube, which is the one that I have filming with the light over to the left side. So I'll show you the comparison between the two lights once I'm done. It looks like you also get a cold shoe mount with this, which is actually kind of cool. So you can actually use this on your camera if you need some extra light, or you're just doing like a vlog and you want to use a light, portable light. Looks like you get that with it. So that's actually kind of cool. So that's your quarter screw right there. That just says UK design, made in China, obviously. And so let's set that aside. And then looks like you get a simple USB-C charging cord. So I'll imagine you probably just use a USB-C to USB-C if you want to charge this, depending on what you're using for a battery bank. But it looks like as long as it's a power cord that you can charge with, but that's actually kind of cool. USB-C to USB-A. And I believe that is everything. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything else. So let's talk about the light a little in itself, what it looks like. So looks like you got some plus and minus. That's probably going to be for your brightness in terms of how you can turn up and down the brightness. That's your power button. That's your set button. USB-C right there to charge it. You've got an LCD screen for your LCD readouts. And I am kind of curious about the diffuser because it says it was a magnetic one. So we're going to see if we can take that off. So we're going to close this in a little. And so it looks like you can just pull it right off. So it does just pull straight off. So there are little magnets, magnify that right there. So there are little magnets around the sides of the diffuser. It's actually kind of cool. And that is your LCD lights right there. That's actually kind of nice. So to put it in perspective, so this is my, this is the HL1C. This is, so I'm about to turn off the light here in the left-hand side. This is what my Lume Cube looks like compared to the iFootage one. So to put it into perspective, this is my Lume Cube light, LED portable light. That is, again, the iFootage one. As you can see, in terms of the LED lights, you're obviously going to get a lot more out of the iFootage than you will out of the Lume Cube. One of the things that I kind of dislike about the Lume Cube is your power button right here on the top. This is your power button, but it's also how you set your lighting in terms of brightness and all of that as well. So when you turn it on, you have to kind of hold it, and then if you tap it, double tap, it gets it brighter, and then you double tap it again, makes it even brighter. You have to continuously tap on this to set the brightness on it, which is kind of annoying in most places because sometimes you forget that you actually have it at that brightness, and when you turn it off, it just kind of blinds you for actually looking at it. Otherwise, on the back, that is your magnet, just like on the back of the iFootage, that is your magnet right there. So in essence, it's kind of the same thing, but just smaller. I wish it would have had a nice little LCD screen on it, but this is how you charge this, which is I'm surprised that people still have these cords. So, and you might not be able to see it, but that is a actual micro USB to USB plug-in. So it's kind of like the old school style of Android when it came to charging up Android phones. That is what you get with the Lume Cube, and that is what the iFootage is going to be replacing. Is this again? It's much brighter, much bigger, more LED lights. So I'm going to be able to get much more lighting out of it, as well as app control. Whereas with the Lume Cube, I believe it is not, and so that's another reason why I'm getting rid of it, so I can actually use the app and control it with it. Otherwise, it's bright enough, the Lume Cube, but this is going to be much brighter, and it's a lot more versatile for me, and it's a much bigger light. I might actually think about getting another one of these. I'm thinking about probably buying a black one, but I do love the magnetized lumen diffuser. I find that much easier as opposed to just the ones that you put on the Lume Cube, which is what you just kind of slide on. So that is all that I've got for the unboxing of the HL1 C. Again, I'll have a link down below for this if you want to take a look at this. I'll do a follow-up review on it later on down the road, but this is what I'm using now for my kind of separate lighting when it comes to wanting to take anything else out, or I just wanted to do another quick video and I didn't want to use like my key light. This should be more than adequate along with my Elgato key light as separate key lights, especially when it comes to unboxings. This will work perfectly fine as it's magnetic and it can clamp to my unboxing setup that I have for this. Otherwise, I want to thank everybody for watching. Again, if you're new to my channel, my name is Mega Peanut the Apple Guy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your week.